How's it going, folks? Today we are going to do a backpacking trip with the bikes. We're gonna bike to the start, backpack to the finish. We're gonna camp out for the night. We're gonna cook some good food. We're gonna have some drinks, we're gonna hang out, do some bushcraft. Let's get it. We're gonna hop on our bikes and bike to the start. Waterfall. Nice. Oh, it's frozen. This is where we're starting the hiking portion of the trail. We're gonna go in here, lock our bikes up, and then start our hike. Locking the bikes right here. All the snow has been melting and it's flowing like crazy right now. This is waterfall number 1 out of 2 of our backpacking trip. Got some like silver birch or river birch here. Very icy out here, holy. Think we're gonna camp in that forest there. It's getting late in the day. I think we're gonna go in there and look for a spot, set up camp. This may be our home for the night. Pretty nice. A little windy in here, but we are at 7.7 kilometers so far. In the sky like you got some firewood here. Got the hammock up. We're gonna remove all the pokies and all the sticks on the ground here, then set up our tarp shelter between these 2 trees. And do a taut line hitch. 2 on the inside, on the outside.
That was started.
You sure? That wasn't you?
It wasn't me.
They all say. Got the 10 by 10 tarp. Put a stick right on through there. So this way we got this front flap that can come down to a backpack. I'm not 100% liking this shelter, so I'm gonna take all this down and try a different structure here. Decided to go with more of an A-frame shape here. One before, I felt like the opening was a little too big. Probably let a lot of heat out. I'm gonna put a fire nice and close to the front. Fire reflector would be nice if we have the time. Put the dirt. I can't even. There's room for Malibu in there too. Cool. Wood in this forest it burns way too quick, so we've been hiking over there to get some hardwood, some nice deciduous wood. Gonna make a sawhorse so we can cut wood without bending over.
Don't want to set her up.
Having a snack right now, having a little bit of trail mix right now, hanging out by the fire, having some drink. Malibu's hungry. On her way here, Malibu went for a sprint. She had her food bag tied to her, ripped it open, food went everywhere. So Malibu has no food choice. She has to eat human food now. Look at her. She's starving.
Damn.
We actually call her Starvin' Marvin sometimes. Made this little hanger so I could hang up my saw there. Saw hanger. Cutting a lot of wood, relaxing.
Here, train. Oh, there's a guy.
Good to hear. I like hearing some nature out here. Boil up some water here. I'm running low on water. It's around like -2 Celsius right now. Hanging out, making some tea. I made some pine needle tea. Try it out. Nope.
Very hot?
Yeah, it's boiling water.
Yeah. I wish she was here.
It's like a good dirty sock water, you know? We're gonna cook up some steak. We're gonna put it on a stick and here. Hit. That steak stick is looking a little flimsy there, eh? My stick's looking long and strong and nice and firm. Look at it.
What's happening?
Little Salt Bay on that piece. Little Salt Bay action. Ah. Cook some red peppers also. It's about 12 a.m. It's about our bedtime. We're about to go to bed here, guys, in a few minutes. See you in the morning. Good morning. Beautiful sunset this morning. Sunrise. That's what I meant. It has been a rough morning for me. Haven't been recording much. Feeling better and boiling some water now. Sanitize all the deer crap out of it. A little bit of deer crap, never hurt anybody. Hint of deer crap and pine tar. My favorite type of tea. I think it was like -12 with the wind chill last night. I have a task for you. Alright, we're all packed up, ready to go. Another 5 to 10K, and we'll be at the car. Back on the extremely icy trail. Halfway done today's hike. We're taking a break here, we're dying. Hi everyone, I live here in Traitorous. Can't read that. There's a dog on this property over here. The Bruce trail goes through their property here, so they're put that sign up just to warn everyone that their dog may attack them at any moment and they should be scared. It's a shooting range over here. Can't even walk on these trails, it's just straight ice. Rockway Falls is right up there. It's a big one, as you can see. This is what we're dealing with, straight ice. Malibu, show them. Okay? There's the falls. All right, we are pretty much back at the vehicle here. That's gonna be it for a little one-night backpacking trip in the winter. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more like this, subscribe, and see you in the next one.